In this video, I'm going to test the charging time it takes for an iPhone 13 mini to charge from 0% to 100%. This phone uses a lightning cable, not USB Type-C. I'll charge it using a power bank that supports a maximum of 22.5 watts. The iPhone 13 mini supports up to 20 watt wired and 15 watt wireless charging. I also turned on the timer for transparency. I'll share the battery percentage for every 10 minutes and finally the total time it took to reach 100%. The iPhone 13 mini was released in 2021. Despite being discontinued, there is still a lot of hype around this phone, especially since it was the last mini series from Apple before they stopped making them. I bought this phone from a refurbished website. If you have been following my iPhone series videos, you already know where I got it. For those watching only this video, I ordered this refurbished unit from Cashify for around 35,000 rupees including the charger. After 10 minutes of continuous charging, the phone reached 18%. The iPhone 13 mini has a battery capacity of 2438 mAh, which is roughly half of Pro Max models. After 20 minutes of continuous charging, it reached 36%. Recently, I posted a battery drain test of this iPhone 13 mini where I used for continuously 1 hour. You can check that video for more details like the battery level followed by the temperatures it reached, etc. After 30 minutes, it reached 53%. According to Apple, the iPhone 13 mini can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes and our test confirms that. I also checked the temperature of the phone and the ambient temperature. The surface temperature was 26.7 degrees Celsius while the back of the phone reached 38 degrees Celsius. Note that the phone was charging while turned on and with a single SIM card inserted. After 40 minutes, it reached 69%. Due to its smaller battery capacity, it appears to charge faster. It's disappointing that some refurbished websites don't include a third-party charger. You have to purchase one separately for around 200 to 300 rupees. About a year ago, I reviewed the iPhone SE 2020 model and on that time the Cashify website provided a free charger in the box. But right now, they aren't. After 50 minutes of continuous charging, it reached 80%. If you noticed, up to 50% the charging is very fast. Afterward, the speed gradually declines. This is common among all the smartphones to prevent the battery from overheating. I received some comments recently asking whether you should buy the iPhone 12 mini this year. My straightforward answer is don't buy the 12 mini guys. After 60 minutes or 1 hour of charging, it reached 89%. If you're interested in the mini series, go with the iPhone 13 mini. It supports 5G, has better thermal performance compared to the iPhone 12 mini and offers several other improvements. You can watch some videos on YouTube comparing the iPhone 12 mini with the iPhone 13 mini for more details. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, it reached 95%. Recently, Apple launched the E series instead of SE series. I even posted a poll today asking which phone you will buy, the iPhone 16 or the iPhone 16e. The majority choose the iPhone 16. My strong gut feeling is that Apple will soon stop launching these E series mobiles just as they discontinued the mini series. Alternatively, they might cut some features and lower the price to more closely to match the SE series because currently the price difference between the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16e is minimal. Yet the 16e compromises on some features compared to the 16 model which many people dislike. I know it's early to say, but for sure in my opinion, Apple will likely discontinue the E series in the coming years. After 1 hour and 21 minutes, it reached 100%. So this is the total time it took for the iPhone 13 mini to charge from 0% to 100% while turned on. Comment below with your thoughts about this. Here are some other videos related to iPhone 13 mini. If you want to watch more videos, check the description box.